Hi friends, welcome to South Indian cuisine. Today now I am going to show you a fish curry that is South Indian style or Chettinadu fish curry. For this Chettinadu fish curry or fish kulambu, mean kulambu of Chettinadu, for that the main ingredients, these are the fish pieces. After washing, after cleaning, I added salt, turmeric, red chili powder and 1 lemon. After mixing, I marinated these fish pieces for around 1 hour. These are the fish pieces. And next the other ingredients. This is onion tomato puree, 2 medium size tomatoes and 1 onion. After peeling, I cut into pieces and then grind it to a paste. And this is tamarind pulp and some green chilies and curry leaves, ginger garlic paste and some tempering seeds, that is mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and fenugreek seeds, and turmeric powder, salt according to taste and red chili powder. And next the Chettinadu masala for this curry. For that, these are coriander seeds, some garlic cloves, these are black peppercorns, and this is cinnamon stick, elaichi, that is cardamom, and some cloves, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and some curry leaves. And next this is grated coconut. This is the masala we are using along with the coconut. And next oil 2 tablespoons. With these ingredients now I am going to make a tasty fish recipe, that is Chettinadu mean kulambu. And next in the process, take a mixer jar. Into that add these dry ingredients, that is coriander seeds, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves and fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds and cumin seeds. Add these first to grinder jar. After adding these corns, now grind this for 2 minutes. After making powder like this, into this now add these garlic and curry leaves, and next this coconut and some green chilies. Now with this make a paste. Now our Chettinadu masala is also ready. Now the process. And next in the process, first put a pan on the stove. Add around 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Into that add these tempering seeds, that is mustard, cumin, fennel and fenugreek seeds. When the mustard spreads, now add these slitted green chilies to it. And next some curry leaves. And now into this add this onion tomato puree. Mix it. And now into this add this ginger garlic paste and fry this till the raw smell gone. After frying this onion tomato puree along with the ginger garlic paste, now add this Chettinadu masala mixture. Mix it well. After mixing, now add salt according to taste and this red chili powder and turmeric powder. Mix all these. After mixing, now fry this masala for 5 minutes on low flame. Now the masala is fried well. Into this, now add this tamarind pulp. Mix this. After mixing, now cover this and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. See, the oil floats, means the entire masala along with the tamarind pulp is cooked now. Into this, now add these fish pieces to it. Gently add these fish pieces. After adding the fish pieces, now gently mix this and next cover it and again cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid. See, the oil floats, means now the fish pieces also cooked. Now into this, add some more curry leaves and some coriander and mint leaves, and next half a teaspoon of sugar. Now mix all these gently. After mixing everything, now switch off the stove. Now our tasty Chettinadu fish curry or fish kulambu is ready. Now our tasty Chettinadu fish curry is ready to serve. Dear friends, I hope you like this recipe. If you like, please do subscribe my channel and send your tips and suggestions to improve my channel. Thank you. Namaste.